Welcome to Tech It From Me. In this video, I'm going to be explaining very simply what a derivative is. Some context is that a derivative is the rate of change of something. For example, think about your height. You have your initial height as if you were a little kid, and then over these years, you've grown. So y naught, which is the y, the little zero you see on the left side, is your initial height. And your final height is y. So the derivative is going to be the rate of change of your height. In other words, the rate of change in this case is the change in height divided by the change in age, because the rate is going to be in terms of your age. So the equation would be y minus y naught, naught is a fancy way of saying initial again, divided by a over a naught. A is age, so we're basically saying the change in height divided by the change in age in mathematical terms. Now, this is very similar to the general slope formula you see, y minus y naught over x minus x naught. This means that the slope is the rate of change of a function. Now, that was the context, but there's an actual formula for the derivative, and that is equal to a, which is the power of the original function, times the function to the power of a minus 1, where of course a was the original power. For example, if you have y equals 2x, you can have 2x equals 2x to the first power, which is basically the same thing as 2x. Now, if you were to apply the derivative formula, you would have 2x to the power of 1 minus 1, because a is 1 in this situation, and you would multiply it by a, which is again 1. And that is equal to 1 times 2 times 8x to the 0, which means that x to 0 is just equal to 1. So that means it would be 1 times 2 times 1, which is just equal to 2. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.